First Alert meteorologist Cutter Martin is tracking this major hurricane in Qatar. Aaron may continue to strengthen.
Yeah, I mean, this is a really fascinating meteorological event unfolding, and thankfully, so far, the vast majority of the really bad weather remaining north of the Antilles. Rapid intensification, that's roughly 35-mile-per-hour increase in maximum sustained winds around the eye within 24 hours. This system, a nearly 80-mile-per-hour gain in less than 24 hours. Again, just spinning there north of Puerto Rico, going through some structural changes, but still a very intense hurricane, and would not be surprised if there's a little more fluctuation over the next 24 hours, maybe a little weakening, then re-strengthening. Forecast to be off the U.S. East Coast Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday afternoons, taking a sharp turn. Could be some outer rain bands, the Outer Banks. Big impact, though, for the U.S. East Coast, including our beaches, huge swells, and a very high risk of rip currents. Should be tracking that over the next several days. Outside right now, though, fairly nice. First alert radar, drier. Earlier isolated downpours in Frederick County and Caroline County have diminished, and it's a dry evening forecast across greater Baltimore. Temperatures cooling back through the 80s and into the 70s, so get outside and enjoy the plans. More on Aaron, also the latest rip current risk forecast. Big swells as well coming up in the First Alert Super 7-day. Grace. Outside right now, temperature is warm. If you're maybe headed out to dinner, sitting out on the patio, nice weather for that. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s. 83 on the south side coming in. Annapolis 84, BWI, northern Anne Arundel County. Westminster 86, and we've had some rain-cooled thermometers on the northwest side, though right now First Alert radar is dry. Eastern Shore, earlier shower in Caroline County has diminished. Frederick County, earlier we did have a few downpours, down to just sprinkles south and west of Frederick, and I do mean sprinkles here. North central Frederick County has been favored for these little afternoon pop-ups both today and yesterday, but right now just to the north and east of the Jefferson community, crossing 340 there, not even enough to use the wipers. Forecast continues to dry out overnight tonight. Temperatures cool from the mid to upper 80s where we're at right now, back into the lower 80s by 9 p.m. and eventually settling back into the upper 70s and lower 80s for those that are out with the latest of the evening plans. Out the door tomorrow morning, 72 Baltimore, Westminster 72, 70 Frederick, 70 in Cambridge, a little cooler at the beaches, mid to upper 60s. This setup here, temperatures, in this range, about 6:30, 7:30 in the morning, not there long. Sunday's going to be a hotter day than Saturday, back to 86 in Baltimore by 11 a.m. So for the brunch and lunch plans, it's a hot one out there, 1 p.m. 91. Isolated showers and thunderstorms with temperatures in the 90s. Yet again in the forecast tomorrow, classic summer setup, but actually a little hotter than average. Should be back in the upper 80s for any given Sunday this time of year. Outside right now, we're mostly dry, and this time, tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., not 8 p.m., we're looking at only isolated showers Eastern Shore, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The shower and thunderstorm chance will start to climb. Notice how spotty these are, though. Lots of breaks in between them, just like today. Not every neighborhood impacted, but whatever develops, not only focused in on the afternoon, but it will produce brief heavy rain, thunder and lightning. If you hear thunder, you're at the pool, please move indoors, let it pass, and then you can go right back to those outside plans. High temperature at Frederick 95, 93 Clinton, closer to the bay on the eastern shore. Temperature is right around 88, 90 or so. You get inland closer to the Delaware state line, and we're looking at 92 to 93. Beaches in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow. It'll feel hotter than 100 in Cherry Hill in that neighborhood forecast. Fed Hill 92, probably feeling like 102. Roland Park mid to upper 90s, northwest side of Baltimore City, and it will feel even hotter. If you're headed to the beaches, isolated shower, thunderstorm a possibility, moderate risk of rip currents. High tide to a 1, meaning a little less beach heading into the 2 p.m. hour tomorrow there in Ocean City. Aaron is still a very powerful Category 5 hurricane, making its closest pass to our area Wednesday afternoon to Thursday afternoon. Could be some outer rain bands, the Outer Banks. In general, though, looking like the true impacts from the system will remain offshore as far as the rain and the big winds. But what we're watching is for the issues with waves and rip currents. We could be talking huge swells and a very high risk of rip currents beginning Tuesday. I think the worst of the beach conditions will be Wednesday into Thursday. And as Aaron pulls away, lower humidity, cooler weather moves in, Grace. Only 81 for a high next Saturday.